today's video, I'll show you how you can connect your DualShock 4 controller, aka PS4 controller, to your Mac. I'm using a MacBook here, but you can do this on any kind of Mac machine such as iMac, Mac Mini, or any other that exists. So without wasting time, let's get right into it. So there are two ways to connect your controller to your Mac: wired and wireless. For the wired method, grab a Type A to micro USB cable and plug your controller into your Mac. If your Mac does not have a Type A port, you will need an adapter like this, which is a Type A to Type C adapter. This will help you plug this big Type A port into this little Type C one. Once you do this, the LED on the controller will light up, and that's your cue that the connection is a success and you can now go ahead and use it. No extra settings are required. Now for the wireless method, hold your controller with both hands, then press and hold the PS button and the share button at the same time for a few seconds until the light starts flashing, something like this. Then head to your Mac's Bluetooth settings and look for DualShock 4 wireless controller in Bluetooth Discovery. Click to connect and boom, wireless connection achieved. If you're interested in connecting other controllers to different types of devices, then check out this playlist next.